purpose of this video is for you to be able to apply some basic atomic vocab. Now, atoms are broken up into like two parts. You've got a nucleus. When the nucleus is the center, it's a really dense, positive thing that's comprised of protons and neutrons, and then you've got electrons whirling around it in this cloud. And because the atoms are mainly comprised of this cloud, their atoms are mainly empty space, and therefore they're mainly nothing. The nucleus, it actually means tiny nugget in Greek, is extremely dense. It's at the center, and you would describe how many protons are in there by the atomic number, and which symbol is Z, and the atomic number determines the number of protons. It determines the properties of the atom. And on a periodic table, it's the whole number in there. Now, there's another important term, and that's mass number. And mass number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons in an atom. And this comprises most of the mass of any particular atom. So just to reiterate, you've got three basic subatomic particles. And subatomic means below the atom, and that's protons, neutrons, and electrons. And protons are positive, electrons are negative, neutrons are neutral. Electrons are located within a cloud. The protons and the neutrons are in the nucleus, and the protons and neutrons comprise up most of the mass. They're 1,000 times greater in mass. Neutrons are a little more massive. And how you would calculate these various things are your protons you'd figure out by the atomic number. The mass number minus the number of protons would give you the number of neutrons, and the electrons is the same as the number of protons as long as the element is neutral.